You're gonna love the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, satellite radio, remote engine start, fog lamps, backup camera. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.